Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We're happy to have you here with us today. In this video, you'll learn useful English conversations for talking to your landlord about a household problem. What should you say if there's a leak in your apartment? How do you ask for help politely? And how do you talk about repairs and maintenance in English? Don't worry. We'll show you step by step. You'll learn useful vocabulary, common expressions, and natural conversations. You'll hear conversations between tenants, a landlord, and a plumber. Listen carefully to each conversation and try to repeat the important sentences. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident talking about home repairs in English. So grab a notebook and practice with us. Let's begin.
Alex, come here quickly. There's water all over the floor.
What happened? Did something spill?
No, I think it's coming from under the sink.
Let me check. Oh, you're right. The pipe is leaking.
This looks serious. The water keeps dripping.
We should turn off the water supply first.
Good idea. Where is the valve?
I think it's under the sink. Yes, here it is.
Okay, that slowed it down. But the pipe is still damaged.
We need to inform the landlord immediately.
Hello, Mr. Ahmed. This is Jane from apartment 203.
Hello, Jane. How can I help you?
There's a leak under the kitchen sink. Water is coming out of the pipe.
I see. How bad is it?
It's quite serious. We had to turn off the water supply.
That does sound urgent.
Could you send someone to look at it today?
Yes, I'll contact a plumber right away.
Thank you. Do you know how long it might take?
He should be there within 2 hours.
That would be great. We really appreciate it.
What did he say?
He's sending a plumber within 2 hours.
That's good. Hopefully it gets fixed quickly.
I'm worried about mold if the water spreads.
Yes, damp areas can cause mold very fast. We should clean this area while we wait.
I'll grab some towels.
And I'll open the windows for ventilation.
Hello, I'm here to fix the leak.
Hi, thank you so much for coming so quickly.
No problem at all. I understand how stressful leaks can be.
Yes, it was getting worse. So we're glad you're here.
Can you show me where the problem is?
Of course, it's right this way. It's right under the kitchen sink. We noticed water all over the floor.
I see. Let me take a closer look. Yes, the pipe is cracked. And there's a small gap here. That's where the water is leaking from.
Oh no, is it something serious?
Don't worry, it's not too bad. This kind of damage is quite common.
That's good to hear. What do you need to do to fix it?
I'll need to remove this damaged section and replace it with a new piece.
Will you need to turn off the water again?
Yes, just to be safe.
How long do you think it will take to fix everything?
It should take around 30 to 40 minutes. Maybe a bit less if everything goes smoothly.
That's faster than I expected.
Yes, it's a simple repair. Nothing too complicated.
Will this fix last? Or will we have the same problem again?
Once I replace this section, it should be fine. But since the pipe is a bit old, you should check the others in the future.
That makes sense. We'll inform the landlord about that.
Good idea. Regular maintenance can prevent bigger problems later.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. I'll get started right away.
Great. Let us know if you need anything.
Perfect. This should be fixed in no time.
That's a relief.
Do you need anything from us?
No, I have all the tools I need.
What caused the leak?
The pipe is old and worn out.
Should we be worried about other pipes?
It's a good idea to check them regularly.
Maybe we should inform the landlord about that.
Yes, better to prevent future problems. All done. The leak is fixed.
That was fast. Thank you.
Can we turn the water back on now?
Yes, everything is secure.
Let me check. Great. No more leaks.
That's a big relief.
If you notice anything unusual, let me know.
We will. Thanks again.
Hello, Mr. Ahmed. This is Alex from apartment 203.
Hello, Alex. How are you? Is everything okay now?
Yes, I just wanted to let you know that the plumber fixed the issue.
That's good to hear. Was it a serious problem?
Not too serious. But the pipe under the sink was cracked and leaking.
I see. I'm glad it was handled quickly.
Yes, thank you for sending help so fast. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. That's my responsibility as a landlord.
The plumber did a great job. And everything seems fine now.
That's good. Did he mention anything else?
Yes, he said that some of the pipes might be old and could cause problems in the future.
That's important to know.
He suggested checking the entire plumbing system.
I agree. It's better to fix small issues before they become bigger problems.
Exactly. We just wanted to inform you.
Thank you for letting me know. I'll arrange a full inspection soon.
That would be great. It will give us peace of mind.
I'll contact a technician and schedule a visit within the next few days.
Perfect. Please let us know the time so we can be available.
Of course, I'll inform you in advance. And if anything happens, don't hesitate to call me immediately.
We will. Thank you again for your quick response and support.
You're welcome, Alex. Take care.
You too. Have a great day.
Have you ever faced a problem like this at home?
How did you handle it? Did you fix it yourself or call someone?
What would you say in English if you had to call your landlord?
Try using phrases like, "Could you send someone to look at this? It's quite urgent. When do you think it will be fixed?"
Practice these sentences with us.
And share your ideas in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English conversations.